The Sony Xperia VIII 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship smartphones of the year, especially for users who love powerful performance, professional photography features, and Sony's signature cinematic design. With its premium build, cutting-edge technology, and impressive camera system, this smartphone continues Sony's tradition of delivering a device that feels more like a professional creative tool than just a regular phone. Starting with the design, the Sony Xperia VIII keeps the iconic, tall and slim Xperia look that fans appreciate. The phone features a sleek glass back, a durable metal frame, and an elegant, minimalist style that makes it stand out from other flagship devices. The device feels extremely premium in hand, and Sony has likely improved the durability with stronger Gorilla Glass protection and enhanced water and dust resistance. The narrow 21:9 aspect ratio display also makes the phone comfortable to hold and ideal for watching cinematic content. One of the biggest highlights of the Xperia VIII is its stunning display. Sony is expected to include a breathtaking 6.5-inch 4K OLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This screen delivers incredible color accuracy, deep blacks, and ultra-sharp details that are perfect for streaming movies, editing photos, or gaming. Thanks to Sony's professional display technology, inspired by its Bravia TVs, users can expect one of the best smartphone displays available in 2026. Performance is another area where the Xperia VIII truly shines. The phone is expected to be powered by the latest flagship processor, likely the Snapdragon 8 series chipset designed for ultra-fast performance and efficient multitasking. Combined with generous RAM and fast internal storage, the device should handle gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking without any slowdown. Whether you're running demanding apps or recording high-resolution videos, this phone is built to perform. The camera system is where Sony really brings its professional expertise. The Xperia VIII is expected to feature an advanced triple camera setup with upgraded sensors and enhanced AI image processing. Sony's cameras are well known for delivering natural colors and professional-grade control. With features inspired by Sony Alpha cameras, users may get manual photography controls, real-time eye autofocus, and improved low-light photography. This makes the phone ideal for content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts who want DSLR-style control directly on their smartphone. Battery life is also expected to improve, with a larger battery capable of lasting all day, even with heavy usage. Fast charging and wireless charging support will make it easy to keep the device powered throughout the day. Another advantage of Sony smartphones is the clean Android experience. The Xperia VIII will likely run the latest Android version with minimal bloatware, giving users a smooth and simple interface while still offering powerful customization options. Overall, the Sony Xperia VIII 2026 looks like a flagship smartphone designed for people who demand premium quality, powerful performance, and professional camera features. With its cinematic display, advanced camera technology, and sleek design, this phone could easily become one of the most impressive smartphones of 2026. For creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts, the Xperia VIII might just be the ultimate smartphone experience.